Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some pipe that I picked up from a friend of mine. She gave it to me and I'm really appreciative of it. It's like, I haven't measured it yet. It looks like 6-inch, but also thinking of the size of 4-inch, I feel like it's gotta be 8-inch. I haven't measured it, but it's some good sized pipe. I've been wanting to put in a drain culvert out at my property. In the ditch that the county has dug on the side of the road. And culverts, if you haven't looked, are really expensive. Even the plastic ones are like $300 for an 8-inch 20-foot one. So I've got, I think, about 24 feet of culvert pipe here. We're gonna get it, at least try and get it put in this weekend. And I've got my boys with me, so you might see them in the video here and there. But yeah, so the first thing that we're gonna do is go out to my friend's house. He's got a Kubota, I don't know what size it is or what model it is. It's like a 40 horsepower tractor, somewhere around there, maybe a 60 horsepower tractor. Anyway, it's got a loader on it. I'm gonna steal some of his dirt. Not steal it, he's letting me use the tractor and take some of his dirt. Then I'm gonna put it in my dump trailer. I've got my dump trailer behind me. And then we're gonna get it loaded up and then haul it over to the ditch, put a little bit of dirt in the ditch, and then lay the pipes down so that they're not at the bottom of the ditch. And then put some of the pipe, or not some of the pipe, put some of the dirt up over the top of the pipe. We'll see how much I get done today. It's about 3:40. Yeah, it's 3:48 in the afternoon right now. And the sun's going down about 5:36, probably more like 6 o'clock here these days. So we'll see how much we get done. Probably have to pick up some tomorrow, but anyway, let's just get started on it. Not a lot in the very front, a lot in the middle. It might be just right. You know, there are a lot of things I do love about living out here. It is sure pretty. It's its own beauty. I love a lot of things about the East, the Midwest, the plains. You know, I really like the green out there. I like all the trees and everything. And I really like how much you can do with, I don't know, 5-10 acres of land out there. You know, you can actually raise for real a couple cows, 3-4 cows on those. I would say I wouldn't trade it for anything, but that's not true. If I could move my whole family out to the Midwest somewhere, I think I would. But I really do like it out here. It is really its own natural beauty, its own beauty, its own kind of beautiful. So I just think about it a lot when I come out here and drive out and a little bit north of the town I grew up in and currently live in, and it's a rustic beauty, but I do like it. We're gonna go try and get a little more before the sun goes down. Alright guys, well it's the end of the first day, and all I did was kind of lay a little layer of a higher level of dirt for the pipes to sit on. I didn't bring any shovels or anything. I didn't think about that, I guess. Tomorrow I'm going to go out, smooth it out. I'm going to make 2 videos out of this. The next video I'll be smoothing it out with a shovel and a rake, kind of making it contoured kind of with the ditch. And then I'll lay the pipe down. I'll probably go for another load and then lay the pipe down so that nobody steals the pipe laying there in the dirt. Because, I mean, if you were to go buy this brand new, I mean, this is like a few $100s worth of PVC pipe. So I don't want to leave it there, and that's why I didn't mess with it today. But I just wanted to raise the culvert up, the pipes up a little bit, so not all the dirt was rushing inside, which that probably won't last like that forever. But anyway, this will be part 1. I'll do part 2 with the rest of the work tomorrow. and probably like I don't know if I'll get my tractor out here to do the grading tomorrow, but sometime, and that'll probably all be its own video. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. There's your big thumbs up. And then make sure, if you're not a subscriber, that you hit subscribe. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.